So hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Ladder app. Let's get started. So for you to use the Ladder application, you want to start by taking a quiz to get matched with a fitness coach and team based on your goals such as strength, running, or yoga. So to get started, you want to download first the Ladder application and sign up with your account. Next, once you sign up, you want to take the quiz. So answer the questions about your fitness goals, experience, and available equipment. Now, you want to choose a coach. The application matches you with a trainer in a specific fitness program like strength training or functional fitness. And lastly, you want to start your first workout. Access your personalized workouts, which are released weekly, starting on Sunday. Now, during your workout, you want to select the workout for the day to begin. You also want to watch quick intro videos and demonstration videos for each exercise. You also want to listen to the voice-over coaching, exercise instruction, reps, and built-in rest periods. And lastly, track your progress. The application automatically populates your previous weights, showing your strength gains over time. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.